Hello everybody. Today we're going to be changing my display ceiling fan. Right now we got the CEC Newport close mount thing of sorts. I don't know. It's a cool fan. It's been up here for about a week. It should go in line to be in the bedroom, but I don't really want to use it with the wooden mounting bracket, so we're going to wait on that. Excuse me. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be putting up a Harbor Breeze Armitage that I just finished cleaning and realigning the bearings on. Didn't do a video of it because, I don't know, I just didn't set it up. Didn't really feel like it, but it's whatever. We get this fan taped down. It's all clean, so it can go in storage now and get dirty again. Ooh, I'm wearing my pajama pants right now because it's cold, and they actually have pockets for once. This is like the only pair of pajama pants I have that has pockets. I'm not going to do that. The bearings in this thing have gotten so much better. The only thing I will say about it is it has a pretty audible motor hum. Which is fine. I don't really care. But I know there's some people that like quiet fans. I don't mind a slightly noisy one. If it was a really annoying sound, like a click, then I wouldn't like it. This isn't horrible. So also with the Armitage, we're doing the original light that I had on it, not the one that it should have. It didn't come with that. Well, it came with the plate, but the glass was broken, so I just didn't bother. So, yeah. Pretty soon here, probably the next time I go to Home Depot, I'll have to remember to buy a pancake box to install onto here because I don't want to strip the wood out too bad. And with that box, it won't strip out, or it better not, or else I'll be mad. Or I should just put everything on a J-hook. Even a flush mount fan, so let's put it on a J-hook. I want to do that. Take the light shades off as well, just so I don't damage anything. This one I think is my favorite out of the three that I got. I got this one with the other CEC, and then it was the, what's that thing? The Barcelona hugger. This one is my favorite, then the Barcelona, then the CEC. I don't hate the other CEC. It's just my least favorite. I like these two fans more. They're cool. These shades are easy to take out. Alright. I only finger tighten these screws. Shouldn't be an issue, but like, I would not recommend finger tightening them. Alright. These bolts will also fit on the Cheshire bracket, which is good. I don't know what that loud noise is outside. I think it's a leaf blower. Sounds really weird. Alright, let's get this bracket down. Oh yeah, I put that thing up there. I stuck a screw in between this. It's stuck to the wood. I put a screw in between the mounting bracket and the wood beam to make the fan hang straight. So we can probably just leave that there. Would probably be beneficial for this one too. Maybe in a bit different spot, but we'll still use that. Sorry if I'm in the way. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's get the fan up here. And the motor. I already have the light kit installed, so it might be interesting to put up. Because the housing is kind of just dangling there. It should have 4 bolts. I'm just going to do 2 diagonally across from each other because I don't have all 4 of them. Again, I don't recommend doing this. You should definitely use all 4 bolts if you have them. Gotta get these wires through to the other side. I should install this fan in my bedroom. Because I because I really don't hate it. I know a lot of people, like a lot of collectors, don't like these. I don't know why. They're pretty good. For what they are, for a $50 fan, they're not horrible. And they've been sold for a pretty long time, too. There's your motor. Installed. Bearings are a little bit noisy, but they're like brand new. I've literally used this fan like one time since I replaced the bearings. It's all good. Alright, blades time. Is that actually a leaf blower? Because that thing sounds like a demon screaming. Sounds like Hell the audio track. Oh boy, this is droopy. I wonder what the use case for this fan was, because it seems like it got really hot at one point in its life and then like didn't get used for a really long time, because the bearings were like completely shot when I got it. They were so messed up. They were like discolored and very, oh boy, this is a droopy fan. And they were discolored and they were noisy. And when I first got it, the fan couldn't start on its own on any of the speeds. I had to work it for a long time. Or maybe it was because it was in the trash in the cold. Maybe the grease froze. Man, I don't know. I would like to know. That leaf blower is making me mad. It's so loud. Such a droopy boy. It's got a somewhat small motor housing. There's some 42-inch fans I know of that have housings as big as this. The Hunter Low Profile, the 42-inch one, that thing's got a huge housing. But like, that fan never been my favorite looking either. Was it the Low Profile too? It's like the early 2000s one with the like Beacon Hill style blade arms. Sorry about that, my mom had to talk to me for a sec. Here's the fan. It's not horribly droopy. It's pretty quiet. It's a lot quieter than I remember it being. Like, it was dead silent. That's weird. What shade should we put on it? I was thinking those alabaster ones. I'll grab 3. See how they look. They'll probably look fine. This is moving a lot of air. It's not going too fast, but like, who cares? It's moving plenty there. And this is an unfair test, I will say, because it's pretty low down from the ceiling. Because there's like nothing above it. You just got quite a bit of space up there. But it will definitely go in the bedroom at some point. We'll get an accurate demonstration of it. These light shades might not be my favorite on here. Or I might love them, I don't know. Ooh, I also have those ridged ones. They're kind of like the ridged versions of these. And they're clear. They're the ones from the craft room. Or I have those Art Deco White Star ones. So many shades. We're not gonna put clear bulbs in this thing. We're gonna put frosted, what are they? I have a box of them. They're like GE Reveals, like 40-watt bulbs. They have like kind of this blue tint to them, and allegedly, according to GE, gives it like some weird, new, revolutionary kind of light. I think it's bull, but whatever. Let's grab them out. Wait, are these the right ones? No. That's fine. Oh wait, yeah, they are. Are they? I don't know. These are a lot bigger than the little appliance bulbs were. Oh yeah, these are really big. Oh, these aren't. It's kind of a nice light. I like that. I don't hate these. Are they halogen? I don't think they're halogen. But I kind of like that. It's like a lighter white. I don't hate it. It's whatever these. Oh, it's. Are they LED? Incandescent. Alright. This is what they are. I didn't know you could make different colors of incandescent bulbs. I guess you can just coat them. I don't know. But yeah, here's what the fan looked like. I think it looks pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.